Greetings friends! Today we will be baking a marble cake with caramel, cream and walnuts. This is an incredibly delicate cake with a very harmonious flavor. If you enjoy the taste of chocolate with caramel and roasted walnuts, then you will definitely love this cake. First, prepare the sponge cake. You will need sugar, 400 grams or 14.1 ounces, flour, 480 grams or 17 ounces, 35 grams or 1.25 ounces of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons espresso powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 4 teaspoons baking powder, milk 500 milliliters or 17 fluid ounces, vegetable oil 350 milliliters or 12 fluid ounces, 8 eggs. Combine the eggs and sugar in the mixer bowl and beat with the whisk attachment on medium speed until light and fluffy. Then reduce the mixer speed and add the milk and oil. Next, add the flour, baking powder and salt. Mix until smooth and turn off the mixer. Then separate half of the dough into a separate bowl and return the mixer bowl with the remaining dough to the mixer. Add the cocoa and espresso powder to the dough and mix on low speed until smooth. To bake the sponge cakes, you will need two 21 centimeters or 9 inches diameter cake pans. Grease the pans with oil and line them with baking paper. Then start spooning the batter into the pans, alternating between the white and chocolate batter. Bake the sponge cakes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. Next, combine 225 grams or 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 380 grams or 13.5 ounces of Dulce de leache and 500 milliliters or 17 fluid ounces of heavy cream in a mixer bowl. Using the whisk attachment, beat the cream on medium speed until fluffy. It is important to note that mascarpone cheese is very delicate and can easily be overbeaten, so I recommend not using high speed when beating this cream. When the cream is whipped, add 3 tablespoons of coffee liqueur and gently stir the cream with a spatula until smooth. Place the cream in the refrigerator. Next, place 400 grams or 14.1 ounces of walnuts on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Allow the nuts to cool, then grind them in a blender. Cut the sponge cakes into 2 layers. Prepare the soak for the cake by combining 200 milliliters or 6.8 fluid ounces of milk and 3 tablespoons of coffee rum. Next, assemble the cake. Spread a little cream on a cake board and place the first layer on top. Soak the layer with the syrup and cover with a thick layer of cream. Sprinkle with ground walnuts on top. Next, place the second layer on top. Soak the layer, cover with cream and sprinkle with walnuts. Continue in this way until the whole cake is assembled. Then cover the cake with plastic wrap and secure it with a ring. Leave the cake in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Next, cover the cake with cream. The recipe for the cream I used to cover the cake can be found in one of the videos on my channel. I left a link to this video in the description below this video. Place the cake in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the cream to set. Prepare the ganache. To do this, mix 300 grams or 10.6 ounces of milk chocolate and 100 milliliters or 3.5 fluid ounces of heavy cream. Heat in the microwave until the chocolate is completely melted. Heat in 30-second intervals so that the chocolate does not overheat. Using a spoon with a narrow edge, make chocolate drips on the cake, then cover the top of the cake with ganache. Place the cake in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then decorate the cake with the remaining cream. You can also use macarons, coffee beans, and ground walnuts for decoration. Friends, this cake is really delicious. I'm sure you'll want to make it more than once. I would be happy if you shared your feedback with me in the comments and on my Telegram channel. You can even send me photos of your cakes and desserts on my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel using the link I left below this video. I look forward to seeing your culinary creations. As always, I wish you luck in making this cake and bon appétit.